You know what? I feel it's a mixed feeling because we're feeling very happy with what we've done and the program we've produced, but like those blokes behind us, they actually put their heart and soul into the houses, and just I think they got the reward with effort that they put in as well. So it's sort of mixed feelings at the moment, but I couldn't be more proud of Britt. I couldn't be more proud of our team that put it together, and the Bucks did prove it also true as well.
I bet you must have been shocked watching the rest of it unfold because House Fine went second because they, you guys there was the expectation you two would really set the scene. It must have been a real shock for you standing there watching that.
100%. I mean, in my mind, the boys would have blitzed us. And, that's what a part of this going first is to set the tone for everyone to also make money, which is why we went first, hoping everyone would make money. And when that didn't happen, it destroys you because everyone's given up so much they like to be here, and then that doesn't happen. So, it's quite bittersweet.
Some mixed emotions.
Yeah. But that said, you guys worked so hard. You've got little kids at home. Like, how is this going to set you up for the future?
I think it's just a way to take a breath of fresh air. Like regardless of the win, the next $100,000, like
that's our mortgage paid.
That's it. It's a mortgage paid off, and we're not from the glitz and glamour of the high end cities that we've been staying in recently. But we're just small town country coppers, and we can just take a bit of a breath and really just look after the kids. And that was our whole plan going forward, and that's what we've done. I'm very proud of Britt. Obviously, it's no secret. I wasn't the most eager to get on the show, but Britt, for 5 or 6 years, have just put it on the back burner, and said no, because of the police academy, and then I joined the prisons, and then I joined the police academy, and then Britt and I had children, and then it was never the right time. But Britt was always like, "No, we'll wait again." We got to the time where I couldn't say no to her.
You ran out of excuses.
Britt was like, the application's in, so I'm so proud of Britt. She never faltered from it, and she had a vision from day one and executed it perfectly. So
I think also, we see a lot of tradies on the block, right? You get couples, at least one half of them are working construction. You guys, maybe came in as underdogs almost because you don't, and now you've ended up winning.
Yes, so, I'm not a tradie. I was very much
not
at all. This is what I said to Britt all the time. I said, I don't have to go on this bloody show.
I was like, look like an idiot.
I will look like a peanut. I did look like a peanut for a lot of it. But Britt said, have a crack. It's not always builders.
I think it was an advantage, to be fair, because we just had no idea. We'd ask for something crazy, and our builders would be like, sure,
they hated us, but they did it.
Yeah,
so it was a blessing and a curse. Obviously, I made a bit of a tool of myself. No pun intended. But you just got to embrace it. You got to get it.
I think it shows that just normal people can actually come on the block, do an amazing job, and then win.
Well, that's what we said from the get-go. They said, what's the best thing about you guys being on the block? The best thing is, people are going to read your articles, people are going to see your stories and go, if two country coppers with no renovation experience can do it, bloody anyone can. So I have no idea about building.
If we can, you can.
We love it.